Hi there, I'm Edo. So, picture this. You're a bank customer with an urgent issue, but there's no accounts officer to help you. Frustrating, right? That was the reality at a leading commercial bank I used to work with. Unassigned customers were driving down customer satisfaction scores. Enter our game-changing Airtable solution. We built a smart matching system that automatically pairs customers with account officers based on sophisticated criteria with workload optimization. Using custom scripts and automations, we created a seamless process that ensures every customer has the right support when they need it. The results dramatically improved customer satisfaction scores, faster complaint resolutions, and a more efficient support system that works for both customers and staff. So, what I'm here to do today is show you an example of the solution that we created then that I have redone on my own. Okay, so here we have the tables that we made. Here, this is a customer information table which contains information like the customer's name, their credit score, their location, their gender, age, number of years with the bank, estimated salary. Then you have the customer's account information table, which contains information like number of products that they subscribe for, their account balance, if they have a credit card or not, and if their accounts are active. We then have a customer complaints table, which just captures customers' complaints over time. Um, It also captures whether the complaints have been resolved or are still outstanding, and the type of feedback, whether it's a complaint, a suggestion, or an inquiry. Here I created a field that seeks to rank the problems or the complaints in giving it a severity score. For that, if the complaint has been resolved, it gets a score of 1. For all unresolved complaints that are suggestions, it gets a score of 2. For unresolved complaints that are an inquiry, it gets a score of 3. And for unresolved complaints that are actual complaints, it gets a score of 4. Then we have account officer information here. Um, So their names, the email addresses, their level, years of experience, and then we have employee performance for the accounts officers. So basically, it's the results from their last appraisal. So first of all, what I did was assign an account officer score, which basically is a formula that takes into cognizance the years of experience, their level, and the feedback from their appraisal, and gives each account officer a score. So basically, we can use that to rank the account officers. Then I did the same thing for customers. So here it is. Give me a second while I scroll that way. Okay, so basically did the same thing for um, basically I did the same thing for customers using their age, the balance, their estimated salary, number of years with the bank, the severity of their complaints, which we had calculated earlier in the customer complaints templates, and number of products that they subscribe for. This just creates a ranking for the customers, basically giving us an idea of their importance. So next up, I created an automation which seeks to assign the best customers to the highest rated account officers. For this, I had to write a script and using Airtable scripting. Sorry about that. So here's the script. So what the script seeks to do is assign both officers and customers into buckets. As you can see, for customers, buckets range between 0.0 to 9.99 for the lowest bucket and between 40 to 50 for the highest buckets. For accounts officers, to be between 0 and 2.99 for the lowest bucket and 12 to 15 for the highest bucket. So now it seeks to assign customers and account officers to matching buckets. Um, Apart from that, things it takes cognizance of is if there's a particular bucket of customers that doesn't have any account officers that fall into that range, it assigns from the closest bucket to that particular bucket of customers. Also, if a customer has already been assigned an account officer, it does not overwrite that, it just leaves that alone. So basically, that's what the script seeks to do. So now that the automation is on, once I change one of these to unassigned, from unassigned to assigned, what it will do, it would assign an officer who is in the same bucket as the customer, and it will update the account officer assignment rule to assigned. So let's see it go. And the automation has kicked off. So it's assigned, and we can switch to the account officer info table, and we can see here that what the script attempted to do, for since it doesn't change account officers that have already been assigned, what it tries to do for each bucket, it tries to ensure that the newly assigned customers are assigned evenly, so it does not no account officer is overburdened. So you can see that they try to do it evenly as relates to every bucket. So are manual processes and resource allocation headaches holding your business back? I transform complex challenges into streamlined automated solutions that just work. Book a consult with me today and let's turn your business challenges into success stories, because efficiency isn't just about working harder, it's about automating smarter. See you around.